Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
Silence. I got to respect òfin Nigeria. I don't no comment for now. Jẹ́ ká dúró ilé ẹjọ́ ló ní final say ní anything láti sọ. So ju pé kí n kàn kí gbogbo àwọn olólùfẹ́ mi pé wọ́n ṣe and gbogbo ẹ̀yin journalists náà thank you. Àtẹni tó ṣe dáadáa àtẹni tó ṣe kejì àkíyín ẹ ṣé. That's all I want to say. Thank you.
Nílé ẹjọ́ lé ní ìgbẹ́jọ́ lè tẹ̀síwájú fún ìdí pàtàkì pé àwọn olùpẹ̀jọ́ wọ́n béèrè fún adjournment pé kan sún ẹjọ́ síwájú torí pé ẹlẹ́rìí tí wọ́n fẹ́ gbé wá ẹlẹ́rìí yẹn ọlọ́pàá ni wọ́n dẹ̀ ti gbé kúrò ní ibi tó wà tẹ́lẹ̀ so wọ́n láti gbààyè kí ọlọ́pàá yẹn kó fi lè wá so ààyè yẹn náà ṣe títí ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀ wọ́n á ti ṣe gbogbo ètò tó yẹ kán ṣe so ẹlẹ́rìí á lè wá ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀.
wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ilẹ̀ kan pé ẹ̀rù ń bà á àbí àyẹ̀kújá ta nìyẹn.
àmọ́ àwọn ẹlẹ́rìí méjì náà ló kù tán ní ìkan ní eléyìí tí mo sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ìkejì yẹn wọ́n ní ẹ̀rù ń bà bọ́ àmọ́ ẹni tó tẹ́ni ẹ jẹ́
ọjọ́ òní wá sún ẹjọ́ yìí sí báyìí.
ọjọ́ Friday 19th ọjọ́ 19 ìyẹn ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀ àti ọjọ́ kejì nínú oṣù kejìlá ní ọjọ́ 19 and 2nd 19th of November 2nd of December.
kí wàá ní ìgbàgbọ́ yín lórí ibi tẹ́jọ́ yìí máa já sí.
A ní ìdá gbogbo ẹ̀ wà lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ṣùgbọ́n a ní ìrètí ayọ̀ lórí ẹ̀ a ní ìrètí ayọ̀. Okay. Well, unfortunately, the case could not proceed today for hearing, for continuation. The prosecution sought for adjournment to enable them, bring their next witness to court. Their next witness, I think, is a police officer, and he's been transferred from the division he was before to another division. And they now have to do the formality of, securing his release to come and give evidence in his from a new station. So that's the reason why we couldn't proceed today. So subsequently, the prosecution sought for adjournment, which we did not oppose anyway. So the court was magnanimous to adjourn the case to next week, Friday.
What's your belief so far on this rise?
No, we are very hopeful in the case. We are very much hopeful. So God helping us, yes.
So the case was shifted, so
Was adjourned for, we are given 2 days actually. Next week, Friday, the 19th of November and 2nd of December 2021. So those are the 2 days we are given by the court. Okay.
your name, sir?
I'm Prince Kayode Olabiran. And my colleague here, Jane Ogunbi, and Mr. Oluwole Omolegun. So, all right.
Princess Ekao. Bí ẹ̀rí sọ nípa ìjẹ́jọ́ ṣe ń lọ.
This guy just going to enter the shot. You want to say hi. You two they do it now. Oh, don't pariwo enter shot. You go enter shot in you.
I'm going down the room. I'm sorry. Go forward a bit.
Oh yeah, look back.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.